Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about on-car lathes and specifically on-car lathe adapters. So what we're going to talk about today is a new kit where we use adjustable adapters. What I have in front of me here are 3 adjustable adapters. There's a 3-lug, a 4-lug, and a 5-lug version. So we can handle 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10-lug vehicles with these adapters. I'll grab the 4-lug here so you can see how this works. Basically, all of these legs are linked together. So when I adjust the diameter of one, I'm adjusting the diameter of all of them. See how that works there. It's very easy to adjust, excuse me. And then on the back side, or the top, depending how you want to look at it, we've got 4 3/4-inch bolts. And we'll show you how you do this, but basically we'll just tighten these up after they're put on the vehicle. And that's it. That's all it takes. So the advantages of this are pretty significant. We can basically handle all vehicles up to 3,500 series trucks with this one kit, okay? So what will come with this kit? Well, we're gonna include the standard 4 and 5 lug adapters. Why? Well, these are fast and easy to use. Still probably the easiest way for 80% of the vehicles. So these will come with it. They're not that expensive. Then you'll have these 3 adapters, 3, 4, and 5 lugs, as I mentioned, all with standard length legs on them, okay? In addition, you will get 5 of these long legs that can be swapped out just by undoing these bolts, putting these in place, and these will be used for dually trucks, okay? You'll still need the extended twin cutter for those dually trucks, but with this kit and the extended twin cutter, as I mentioned, you'll be able to handle all the way up to 3,500 series trucks. So think about a Ford store. Think about all those adapters that were required. Now we could replace it with this and they can handle all of your vehicles. So let's go over to the car and let's take a look at how this actually works. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the adapter on a vehicle. This is a Jeep Wrangler, which has 5 studs. So I have the 5-lug adapter here. So I just adjust them until they slide over. And now what I need to do is install the lug nut. Now there's a window in each one of these legs so I can actually see the lug nut going on. So if it got jammed or something was wrong, I'd be able to see that it wasn't going on there correctly. And now what I need to do is tighten up these 5 bolts in this case. Now, all it takes is 15 foot-pounds on these, so we don't want to use an impact wrench. This is a prototype version, but in the future versions, we'll say 15 foot-pounds, no impact on them. Okay, and there we go. Now, the adapter is bolted up. We can bolt up the ace lathe and begin to cut.